my friends, I'm a seniors. Welcome back in our channel. So today in this video we are going to show you that what we are doing. So yes, as you can see here, that in our home there is also a very beautiful workshop that we are doing now, and today I am going to show you that what will be here and what is going here on this workshop, like what we are doing. And this thing is that in this workshop we will learn how to make lots of crafts, and also like we are drawing in our canvas. You can see it is the first layer, and I am don't just started to draw in color in this canvas, but I am doing today. And there are lots of students, they are also just doing their coloring in their canvases. So today's this workshop is we are going to color, and also we are going to just color all of our canvas, and then I will show you every day that what is the thing is. We will do the same workshop for 5-6 days, and it will be a very fun with you, because I always like to share lots of things to you. So now guys, let's go. I am going to just explore this whole workshop to you, and I am going to show you this. So now my friend, there is Kunal. So Kunal, what you are drawing?
This is my drawing. So I draw this landscape. This landscape has lots of trees. You can see this landscape has a river. This is beautiful river. So this river has lots of colors. So if I have done this painting completely, so this painting has lots of layer. Like we work in this 5 or 6 days. We working in this painting. So
Okay.
this is.
It is a very beautiful thing for us. And now here is my friend Pranoy. Now Pranoy is painting also very beautiful. Pranoy, please explain your painting. What are you drawing?
I draw this painting landscape. Landscapes are beautiful. Then there is a river. It's a very beautiful river, and house. Many lots of tree.
Yes, there are also banana mango trees and a very beautiful lake near the house.
Yes, I draw this many color.
Okay, I understand. And here also you can see there are lots of girls who is just they are drawing. The two of them are just drawing landscape. And so Payal, what are you drawing here?
I am drawing a portrait of my father.
Okay, can you like it is the portrait, it is the picture?
Yes.
Okay, you are drawing so well. Just keep it up. And what are you drawing, Srija?
I draw a landscape painting.
Okay, like it is the picture of your painting.
Now
It is also very beautiful.
you can shoot.
So here is a old lady just come and just watching all of our drawings. And now just let's go to our another part. So now here is our brother Mohor. Mohor, please tell our audience what are you drawing?
I am drawing a landscape painting like that. These are my painting.
So
And
can you please explain what is this painting? What
Like
is
this,
this painting about? Like introduce your picture.
Like this, I will draw this painting, and there was a home there. Then also I will draw it. Was first I block this painting, then I will draw on it.
Okay.
Then there are some trees over there, and there is men or standing near the in tulsi tree, and some people are walking towards their destination, and there are some trees and backgrounds. I will draw it. This is my
Okay, it is
painting.
also
And
very
landscape.
beautiful, and thank you for this. And here is my friend Manav also drawing this. So Manav, you are drawing this.
Yes.
This beautiful landscape.
Yes.
Okay, I also just see here. So you can see guys, there are lots of colors, and there are lots of students are drawing. So this day is the first day of our workshop. So guys, we will make 2 or 3 videos, or it can be 4 or 5 videos of this workshop, and I will just go with you, and I will share with you everything day by day what is just exploring. So here is also a student. His name is Shomnath. So Shomnath, please tell about your picture.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, Somnath is also drawing a beautiful landscape of some 2 or 3 houses. So now guys, let's go. I also will draw my picture. So now you can see guys, there are lots of colors on this picture. Like this is the picture that I am going to draw on my canvas. Here you can see it is my canvas. Like that one is my canvas. So let's go take all of the colors. we will take all the colors. So in this picture there are a little bit blue, so we are going to take this blue color, and then we are going to take the white, because white is very important for every colors, for every painting. So I will take it a little bit more. Yes guys, it is the thing. And now there are also lots of yellow colors also. So now we will take some yellow colors. And now there are brown also. Like here again, the brown. Here, the browns, and there are, I think it is okay, but the green is missing because the old picture is with the green. It is just so, that's why color is so okay. Now it is not just coming in my hands, so now take that with it. So here are the green color. And also there are lots of colors, so now let's do them and let's work all of them. So guys, now let's go to my painting. After guys doing lot, after working a lot of times, you can see all of our results. It is looking so beautiful, and today is the first day of our workshop. That's why it is the first layer of everyone canvas, and day by day I will show you everything that what is going on and how we are doing improvements in our canvases. And the very beautiful thing is guys, today also we are drawing on the stones. Yes guys, it is a very beautiful part of our workshop, that stone drawing. Every student, as you can see, they are doing and drawing lots of faces and lots of things in stones. guys, after doing a lot of hard work, as you can see, it is the result of drawing. Yes, it is looking so beautiful, but it is doesn't over. And my canvas also, just it is first layer, as I tell you. So tomorrow will be a very important day also for workshop us, for our workshop, because my stone also will be ready and will be the final result you can see tomorrow in my next workshop video. But lots of people, they also draw lots of things in their stones, and it is also looking so beautiful. Yes guys, so don't miss tomorrow's workshop. Tomorrow's workshop will be a very interesting workshop for you. You can learn, and we also gonna learn lots of things from this workshop. And so please subscribe. If you just not subscribe, that why you are waiting, just subscribe, and then you can find out our video very easy. So guys, just see and take fun.